This is help for Chapter 1, Section 3, Evaluating Expressions. The homework was number 2 through 16 even, so I'm actually going to work through some odds so that you can do the evens on your own. Number 1 gives us the variable expression 7b, with b being the variable. So all we do is we take b equals 5, we're given that, we plug in 5 for b, so instead of 7b it would be 7 times 5, so that equals 35. All we do is we plug in that number for the variable. Number 3 is x divided by 8 for x equals 40. So we just plug in 40 for x. 40 divided by 8 equals 5. Now number 7 is a little bit different. We're given x equals 2, y equals 3, and z equals 10. Number 7 asks us for x, y, z, or x times y times z. Because remember, if there's not a sign between a number and a variable or two variables, it's automatically multiplication. So x times y times z, we just plug these in. 2, x equals 2, y equals 3, and z equals 10. 2 times 3 is 6, times 10 equals 60. I'm going to do number 15. You may want to pause this and then read it and then come back to the help here. But we've got an office assistant who types 55 words per minute. So every minute she's typing 55 words. First we need a variable expression for m minutes to show us how many words she'll type. So her total words typed will equal 55, since she does 55 for every minute, times m minutes. Now we can plug in any number of minutes and calculate the total words typed. So if it were 1 minute she were typing for, then it would be 55 words total in that minute. If she typed for 2 minutes, it would be 55 times 2 minutes, gives us 110 words typed. Once we have our variable expression, we can plug in the number that's given and write the numerical expression and solve. So we know that total words typed is 55m. I can just plug in 20 for m, so that'll equal 55 times 20. And 55 times 20 is 1,100 words. Now, since you're at home, you probably would have done that on a calculator. What I actually would have done, what I did mentally, is I took this 20, 55 times 20. That's a little more difficult than I want to solve. So I broke this 20 into 10 and 10. So I took 55 times 10 plus 55 times 10. Come on, self. 55 times 10, I know that. A little trick is 550 plus 55 times 10, 550. That's easier for me to add to get to 1,100.